paraprofessionals wishing to develop and refine their kid watching or literacy evaluation skills. All right, we're just going to do a little bit of a summary and review. I'm going to ask you some questions. I want you to think about the answer, and then we will find out if you were right or not. So, Yetta Goodman is a professor at the University of blank college. What would fit in the blank? If you guessed Arizona, you are correct. So Yetta Goodman is a professor at the University of Arizona College of Education's Division of Language. She believes in the blank approach, which is a method of teaching children to read at an early age that allows students to select their own reading matter and that emphasizes the use and recognition of words in everyday context. So what is that approach called? If you guess the whole language approach, you are correct. That is what she called the whole language approach, which she believed in. All right, she coined the term blank, which is coined to refer to the ongoing observation by educators of children in classrooms. So what is that called? If you guessed kid watching, you are correct. All right, so she wrote the book Kid Watching with Gretchen Awalki, which is a guidebook for preschool, kindergarten, and primary teachers and paraprofessionals wishing to develop and refine their kid watching or literacy evaluation skills. She also researched and brought about blank analysis, which is an assessment that helps a teacher identify the cueing system used by a reader, the strategies a reader uses to make sense of a text. So what is that system called? I'll give you a hint. It's not a running record. It's very close to a running record, though. If you guessed miscue analysis, you are very correct. All right. Lastly, we have some questions for you that you can either reflect in your journal or on the forum. The first question says, thinking back on your teaching, do you do any kid watching in your classroom? Do you do this daily, weekly, or monthly? Okay, second question is, what do you think some of the positives would be to performing a running record or a miscue analysis while recording the student? So what would the positive be of recording a miscue analysis? And number 3, do you find yourself using the whole language approach in your classroom? Or as we read about today, do you use more of a functional literacy approach where you break each word down, you teach the basics, you teach the you teach the phonics and the sound awareness, or do you teach the whole language approach? All right, well, I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I look forward to answering any questions that you guys have. Thank you.